Sorry for how I look. I'm not feeling well. My kids have been sick for like a week and a half. All three of them have had a cold, and now they all have ear infections. So I'm exhausted, but I need to cut this. I've been procrastinating, and mostly because I know once I cut this, it's gonna be gone. It's just the pretty orange is gonna be gone. But I have other colors I can mix to make orange, and if not, you know, learn from my mistakes, because I'm very good at making mistakes. I'm gonna mix the color because, you know, that worked out so well last time with the green. So, this needs to be clean. Ew. So anyway, yeah, goodbye, beautiful orange. So sad to see you go, but you know, I need to cut you and then eventually re-bleach you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And my daughter's in here. She was doing something, and then I started doing something, so she felt the need to come in and join me. And then my son did something.
What?
Nothing. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That orange is so pretty. I don't know why this area right here just wants to stick straight up. Ooh. Freaking dandruff. That's cute. This is the hardest part, and I think I just might leave that. I'm just gonna leave that. It doesn't want to be short. I'm not gonna make it be short. Because it's just frustrating. Does that make it look uneven? It hurts my eyes to look that way. I need glasses.
I need glasses.
I need glasses. I can't focus like that. It hurts my eyeballs. Alright, I feel like all I'm doing is just making my dandruff worse.
No.
Not the first time I've done that. Alright, it's good enough for now. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry I got so freaky close. Who's that? Oh! Say bye! There's hair on here. Say bye! Alright. Yep, this is weird. I kind of like how there's like still a little bit of orange in there, but it's very brown. But I'm gonna go wash my hair. No, I'm gonna take care of it. And then I'll wash my hair. Eventually, right? Right? Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye.
Hey, Mom.